Music. Crowdstacker Personal Loan Review, your user experience guide. I'm diving deep into Crowdstacker's personal loan offerings, covering features, target audience, and the overall user experience. Find helpful links below. Crowdstacker, a UK peer-to-peer lending platform, connects you with established British businesses, bypassing traditional banks. Invest in diverse opportunities like property development and business loans. For investors, Crowdstacker offers potentially attractive returns. 2023 saw actual annual returns of 16.12% after fees and bad debts. Source: Turch 23. Maximize tax-free interest earnings using an innovative finance ISA, FISA, up to £20,000 annually. Source: Search 22. Choose monthly or term-end interest payments, aligning with your financial goals. Source: Search 20. Monthly interest goes to your Crowdstacker or bank account, with principal repaid at term end. Alternatively, receive both at term end, as detailed in each loan's terms. Remember, peer-to-peer lending has inherent risks. Many borrowers may not qualify for traditional financing, increasing default risk. Advertised returns aren't guaranteed, and capital loss is possible. Source: Search 19. In short, Crowdstacker connects you with UK businesses, offering potentially higher returns. However, carefully consider the risks and do your research before investing.